Hi, lovely students. Many English learners say ask from, but in correct English, we do not say ask from. So let's understand this clearly, step by step, with examples. First, let's look at the wrong sentence. I asked from my teacher for help. This sentence sounds logical to many learners, but it is not correct English. Why? Because the verb ask does not use from. In English, we say ask someone, not ask from someone. Now let's look at the correct sentence. I asked my teacher for help. What does this mean? I talked to my teacher. I requested help. That's all. There is no from here. So remember this simple rule. Ask plus person plus for plus thing. Let's look at more examples. She asked from her friend for money. She asked her friend for money. What does this mean? She made a request. Her friend is the person. Money is the thing. Now, another example. He asked from me a question. He asked me a question. Again, no from. We say ask me, ask you, ask him, ask her. Now, listen carefully to this very important point. In English, some verbs use prepositions and some verbs do not. The verb ask does not need from. But learners often confuse it with other languages. That's why this mistake happens. Now, let's compare with a correct verb that does use from. Look at this sentence. I got help from my teacher. Here, from is correct because the verb is get, not ask. So don't mix them. Ask someone for something. Get something from someone. Different verbs, different structures. Very simple, very clear. So remember this. Never say ask from. Always say ask someone. That's the end of today's lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you again in the next lesson.